you are running a fish farm and you still have not installed the recirculating aquaculture system, that RAS, you are still missing a lot. As you can see this pond, how green this water is. Yet the fish are swimming in healthy and doing fine. We've installed this farm almost a month now, and we are still running this water. And that is because we are using the recirculating aquaculture system. We still don't know when we are going to change the water because it's so good for them and it is healthy and they're growing faster. This saves a lot of water. Not only saving water, with the RAS, the fish are also growing faster because they get oxygen addition to the natural oxygen, and then also the insoluble particles are removed from the pond. And for that matter, they are growing faster. With the RAS too, you can even stock more fish than if you are not using the RAS. Yes, so this is what we have done. And if you have been watching our other video, you see that this model is entirely different. The way we set it up. It is that way because that's the nature of this pond. The pond is underground pond, and that's how we have stored it that way. If it's the other way, we know how we store it. So if you install this for your farm, you are not going to be changing the water all the time. Your fish are going to be healthy and they're growing faster. So if you want to learn how to do this yourself, we have the DIY course. Contact us, then we'll give you the link. Then you enroll in that course and you learn it yourself. Physical will also be available to help you or guide you do your own installation. So this farm is very good and it's running because of RAS. This is the oxygen additional pump with other oxygen and this is the filtration. So the two in one we call this aquatic aquaculture system. So thank you so much. This is in Camry, but we provide the shower service. Whatever that you are, we install it for you and you are good to go. We also set up complete farms. If you don't have your farm already, we give you the pond, the fingerling, the filtration system, everything complete. And yours is just to get your space available, your electricity source, your water source. They will come and install everything, and it will run smoothly. If you don't want this, what do you want again? Hit the subscription button if you haven't done so. Contact us as our contact details are on the screen, and let's help you set up your farm that is running successful and flourishing. Thank you so much. My name is Abdulaziz Issa.